8 ways of generating real estate leads for new agents. Newly licensed real estate agents don't have much of a contact base to start with. Here are some ideas on where to start. Start with people you know. Inform your inner circle about your newly acquired profession. People who know you in person will be more inclined to let you represent their real estate transactions. Attend local networking events. Download the Meetup app and sign up for networking events in your neighborhood. Be a real estate professional who shows up for their community. Nurture and grow relationships. Maintaining a personal connection in the real estate industry is crucial to open the door to a transaction. Make sure you follow up with new acquaintances. Be active on social media. Start a Facebook and LinkedIn business page for yourself as an agent. Share existing listings, real estate know-how, and industry news. Post minimum 3 times a week. Teach a class for first-time homebuyers. Many first-time homebuyers feel intimidated by the process and wouldn't mind a helping hand. Sign up to teach a class in your community center, library, or community college. Monitor marriage announcements. A newly married couple might be an excellent first-time buyer lead. Check local newspapers, relevant social media hashtags, and don't be afraid to reach out. Invest in a landing page. Even though real estate brokerages often list their agents on the official websites, having your own landing page with bio, background, social media links, and contact form will contribute to your professional image. Be ready to respond to incoming online leads immediately. After 5 minutes, the quality of a digital lead drops by 80%. Try the Connect Now lead routing system and get notified whenever a new buyer or seller is ready to talk to you.